Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the latest version of Python on Apple Silicon M1 chip. So the device came with Python 2.7, which is depreciated, and luckily for us, the Python team released a new update which is experimental and it support the Apple Silicon M1 chip. Uh, so all you have to do is to go to python.org and then you can select downloads. But then if you want to confirm if this actually support M1 chip or the silicon chip actually, you can look at the update which was released recently. So you can see this is the universal 64-bit and then it support the Apple Silicon, which is experimental. Alright, so you can just click on this for the sake of this tutorial. I've already downloaded that, so I'll just head straight to install this. Alright, so I'll select this and yeah, it's actually bringing the installer. Yeah, so this is what comes, and all you have to do is to click on continue, and then yes, so you can read actually read this if you want to, and then go to continue, accept, and then you say agree. Then the destination drive, you click on that and click on continue, and then yeah, the next thing is to click on install, and then you have to enter your password and hit install software. Yeah, so it does some magics for a while, and we should be good to go. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, so when it's done, this is what comes for you to see that Python has been installed successfully, and you can also get the installer that this setup has been installed successfully. So you just have to do this and just click on. You can decide to delete, so say move to bin. Yeah, so that one is up to you. So yeah, so over here you can see we have the ideally, and you can click on OK, and we can do maybe print um hello hello world, hello world. Yeah, I am running on M1. Oops, oops. Yep. Hooray! Alright, so Python 3.9.1 is running on Silicon M1 chip. Alright, so that is the ideally. And now the next thing is to try that in our terminal. So we open terminal and then we type Python, then we type Python 3, and hooray, that also runs in the terminal for us. So we can actually use this to do a lot of things if you want. Yep. So yeah, basically that is how you set up Python on Apple Silicon M1 chip. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to show you is how you can run or maybe start a Django application on your M1 chip. So